Hey there, and welcome to Chef Essentials. If you're just starting out in the kitchen or you're looking to upgrade your kitchen setup, today's video is for you. We're diving into the essential cooking tools that every beginner should have. With the right tools, cooking becomes a whole lot easier, and trust me, you'll be able to whip up some amazing dishes in no time. Let's get into it. Let's start with the chef's knife. It's honestly the most important tool you'll ever have in the kitchen. A sharp, reliable chef's knife is essential for chopping, slicing, and dicing just about everything. You don't need to spend a fortune, but make sure it feels good in your hand and stays sharp. This tool will make your prep work so much easier. Safety tip: always keep your knife sharp. A dull knife can be more dangerous than a sharp one because it requires more force, which can lead to accidents. Next up, we have the cutting board. This is a basic tool, but it's a game changer. A good cutting board protects both your countertops and your knives. There are different options like wood, bamboo, or plastic. Wood is great for knife care, while plastic is super easy to clean. It's a good idea to have two cutting boards, one for meats and one for veggies to prevent cross-contamination. Now that we've covered the first couple of tools, here are a few bonus tips for all you beginners out there. Start simple. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to make complex dishes right away. Start with simple recipes, and once you get the hang of it, you can start experimenting with more advanced ones. Stay organized. Keep your kitchen tools and utensils organized. It'll save you time and make cooking much less stressful. Quality over quantity. You don't need to buy a lot of fancy tools. Focus on getting quality basics, and as you get more experienced, you can add more specialized tools. Now, let's talk about a non-stick frying pan. This is a must-have for any beginner. It's perfect for cooking eggs, pancakes, stir-fries, or even searing meat. The non-stick surface means you don't need a ton of oil, and cleanup is a breeze. Remember, when using non-stick cookware, always use silicone or wooden utensils to avoid scratching the surface and damaging the coating. Measuring cups and spoons is another utensil to have. If is another important you've ever tried following a recipe without measuring cups and spoons, you know how important they are. Accurate measurements are key, especially for baking or dishes that require precision. Make sure you have both dry and liquid measuring cups and spoons. You'll also need a set of mixing bowls. Whether you're whisking eggs, mixing ingredients for a salad, or prepping dough, mixing bowls are a must. I recommend getting a set that comes in different sizes, so you can use them for a variety of tasks. Stainless steel or glass are great options for beginners because they're easy to clean and durable. Tongs are one of those kitchen tools that are incredibly useful but often overlooked. They make flipping meat, serving pasta, or tossing a salad much easier and safer than using your hands. Always get tongs with a locking mechanism so they can be easily stored and handled. It's a small feature that makes a big difference. If you plan on cooking potatoes or other vegetables regularly, a potato peeler will be your new best friend. It's super quick and easy compared to using a knife, and it makes peeling vegetables a breeze. Try to find a peeler with an ergonomic handle will give you a better grip, especially when you're peeling large amounts of veggies. You can't forget about a colander. This is essential for draining pasta, rinsing vegetables, or even draining canned goods. It's a simple tool but incredibly useful when you're preparing meals that require straining or rinsing. Is extremely handful when you choose a colander with sturdy handles and a solid base so it doesn't tip over while you're draining. A can opener is another essential tool that you can't forget. Whether you're opening canned beans, tomatoes, or tuna, a good can opener will save you time and hassle. You don't need anything fancy, but make sure it's sturdy and reliable. Remember, it's better to look for a can opener with a comfortable grip and a smooth opening action. It'll make your life a lot easier. Lastly, let's talk about a timer. Whether you're baking, boiling pasta, or sautéing something on the stove, a timer will help you keep track of your cooking times and prevent overcooking your food. It's a small tool, but one that will make a huge difference. And if you bake often, get a timer with a loud alarm so you don't miss it while you're busy. And there you have it, folks. Those are the 10 essential cooking tools every beginner should have in their kitchen. With these basic tools, you'll be well on your way to cooking delicious meals and mastering the kitchen. Remember, Cooking is all about practice, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. And if you have any favorite kitchen tools or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.